Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to write a security guard job application letter step by step. If you're applying for a security guard position, having a well-structured and professional letter is key to making a great first impression. Now, this isn't just about listing your experience, it's about presenting yourself as a reliable and capable security professional. Employers want to see that you're responsible, alert, and ready to handle any situation that comes your way. So, in this video, we'll break down each part of the letter and explain what to include, why it's important, and how to customize it for your own application. By the end, you'll have all the tools you need to write a strong and professional security guard job application letter. Let's get started. Step 1. Your contact information. At the top of your letter, you always start with your contact details. Here's how it looks in our sample. James Richardson, 7824 Maplewood Drive, Orlando, Florida, 32825, 407-555-8923. James.Richardson@example.com. This section is straightforward, but let's break it down. Start with your full name. This makes it clear who the letter is from. Then, list your home address. Even if you're applying online, it's still standard to include your address in formal letters. Your phone number is important because employers may call to schedule an interview. Always double-check that your number is correct. Finally, your email address should be professional. If you're using something outdated like coolguy99@email.com, now's the time to create a new, work-appropriate email. This section ensures the employer has all the information needed to contact you. Step 2. Adding the date. Next, you include the date the letter is written. In our example, we have March 30th, 2025. Always write the full date in the month, day, year format. This makes the letter look professional and lets the employer know that your application is recent. Step 3. Employer's contact information. Now, let's address the letter to the right person. In our sample, we have Hiring Manager, Sentinel Security Services, 1639 Oak Ridge Avenue, Orlando, Florida, 32809. This section tells the employer who the letter is for and ensures it reaches the right department. If you know the hiring manager's name, it's best to use it. For example, Dear Mr. Thompson. If you don't know the exact name, hiring manager is a good alternative. Always include the company's full name and address to keep the letter formal and professional. Step 4. Writing the subject line. The subject line quickly tells the employer what the letter is about. Our sample says, Subject, application for security guard position. This is short, clear, and to the point. When writing your own subject line, mention the exact position you're applying for. Keep it brief and professional. If the job listing includes a reference number, you can include it here as well. Step 5. The salutation. Now, let's add the greeting or salutation. In our sample, we use Dear Hiring Manager. This is a professional and respectful way to start your letter. If you know the name of the hiring manager, use it. For example, Dear Mr. Thompson, Dear Ms. Carter. If you don't know the name, Dear Hiring Manager is a safe and professional choice. Step 6. Writing the opening paragraph, introducing yourself. Now we begin the main body of the letter with an introduction. Our sample letter starts with, I am writing to express my interest in the security guard position at Sentinel Security Services. With over 5 years of experience in security operations, surveillance monitoring, and emergency response, I am confident in my ability to contribute to the safety and security of your clients and property. This paragraph is your first impression. It needs to be clear and compelling. The first sentence explains why you're writing and states the position you're applying for. The second sentence gives a brief overview of your experience, mentioning key skills like surveillance and emergency response. The last part emphasizes why you'd be a great fit for the company, mentioning your confidence in protecting clients and property. When writing your own introduction, always include the position you're applying for, your years of experience, a brief mention of your key skills and strengths. Step 7. Highlighting your skills and experience. Now, let's expand on your qualifications and past work experience. In my previous role at Guardian Protection Agency, I was responsible for patrolling premises, monitoring security cameras, and enforcing safety procedures to prevent unauthorized access. My strong observational skills, quick decision-making abilities, and commitment to maintaining a secure environment allowed me to handle various situations effectively. I am also certified in CPR and first aid, ensuring that I am prepared to respond to emergencies when needed. This section is where you sell your experience. Let's break it down. Mention your previous employer and what your responsibilities were. Highlight specific skills, such as patrolling, monitoring cameras, and enforcing security procedures. Point out your decision-making skills and ability to handle emergencies. If you have relevant certifications like CPR and first aid, include them. This makes you a stronger candidate. Step 8. Showcasing your professionalism. Beyond my technical skills, I pride myself on professionalism, reliability, and strong communication skills when interacting with staff and visitors. I am dedicated to maintaining a safe and secure atmosphere and would welcome the opportunity to bring my expertise to your team. This paragraph focuses on soft skills, which are just as important in security work. When writing your own, consider mentioning professionalism and reliability, since security guards need to be trustworthy. Good communication skills, especially when dealing with employees or visitors. Dedication to safety, which shows your commitment to the job. Step 9. Ending with a call to action. I would appreciate the opportunity to discuss my qualifications further. Please feel free to contact me at your earliest convenience to schedule an interview. Thank you for your time and consideration. This paragraph wraps up the letter nicely by expressing interest in an interview, encouraging the employer to reach out, thanking them for their time. Step 10. The closing and signature. Finally, we close with sincerely, James Richardson. Always use a professional closing, such as best regards, respectfully, sincerely. And that's how you write a security guard job application letter. If this tutorial helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching Writing Tutorials. See you in the next video.